welcome to a video I am going to title the biggest empties ever because I have a lot of empties going on in this video. Wow, let me see if I can just... Is that better? Oh, I have a shadow on my face. I don't know what's better, shadow or a big thing of light. White's not desirable, but since I decided to do my video today, I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'll put a clip in before we get started of all the products that I'm going to talk about. I have them into 4 different categories: makeup, skincare, bath and body, and miscellaneous. I almost said Bath and Body Works, that's why I had a little stumble there. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I have a lot of products to get through. I'm just gonna power through. So I have 2 things of makeup wipes, not too many, surprisingly. The first is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost towelettes. I don't like the regular Neutrogena ones, but I liked these. They felt like kind of like they had a gel on them. It's kind of nice. And then I just had this mini pack of these simple skin wipes. I actually have the Little Mix collection of these, so we'll go ahead. I'll see if they're the same, but these were just for traveling. I thought this would be easier. The reason I don't have many removing wipes is because I had used like a cleanser to get my makeup off instead of makeup removing wipes, but I have some again. I just don't use them as often as I did. Okay, makeup. What do we have here? Couple lip products. The first one is not even done. It's just I'm decluttering it because it, look at that looks disgusting. It's separated completely, so I'm getting rid of it. I wasn't a huge fan. It's a Wet n Wild gloss from the Flight collection. I'll shut the pluck up. Nice. This other lip product I loved, and you can't even see. This is the Fresh Sugar Lip Balm. It's very expensive. This was the just normal one. I used it all the way up. It's none left. And I really want this again, but it is like a $26 lip balm, and I have so many to go through, so before that I will use some other ones up. Also, I heard the Physicians Formula lip balm is very similar to this, and obviously a lot cheaper. I have a brow product. I have this in everyone. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. This was in my yearly favorites video. Let's just say that I haven't already said about it. I repurchased this a dozen times. And then probably 2 favorite mascaras. I didn't put them in a favorites video, but these are the ones I always end up going back to. The one I'm actually using today is the Essence Lash Princess in the green tube. This is like $3, and I absolutely adore this. And then my other favorite is going to be the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I fly through this one, it dries out pretty quickly, but it's not super cheap, and it's pretty similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex. 2 last makeup products that I have are the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I have talked about the fact that I think that the e.l.f. one is, the e.l.f. Jelly Pop is very similar to this. This is a mini size. It was like $15, so it was more expensive than the full size of the Jelly Pop. And there's some product that's left in there. It just will not come out, so I'm going to have to get rid of this. It is considered an empty. And the last one, another one that is always in my empties video, is the Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth Pressed Powder. It's in the lightest shade. I've talked about this in every video I've done on makeup like ever, so you can watch anything else, but I love this powder. It's beautiful for under the eyes and all over the face. So that is going to be all the makeup. Then we're gonna go into skincare. I'm just gonna fly through some stuff, not in any particular order. This I've been trying to use up forever. It is the Botanics Eye Roll-On. It's like a roll-on eye cream. Can't believe I finally used it up, but happy to. I need to actually go out and buy another eye cream. I may do that if I have time today. it's nice. I just wish I had something else, and I want to try like a cream to see if there's more of a major difference. I have two of products that were in my favorites video, so I'm going to go ahead and touch on those. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic. I love this so much. It makes my skin super glowy. Finally am using it again today. I adore it because I was finishing up a different toner. And yeah, not much to say on that. See my favorites video for that, more info. The other one is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. I said I've finished a few of these up, so this is definitely one of them. Great vitamin C serum at the drugstore with no harsh chemicals in it. Also finished up a face oil. This is the Botanics just nourishing facial oil with rosehip. Really used that whole bottle. And I'm currently using a Makeup Revolution one that I like a little bit better. I just like to use that instead of a moisturizer at night since I have dry skin. Speaking of moisturizer, I used up this e.l.f. Super Hydrate moisturizer. Wouldn't really buy this again. It is more of a lightweight hydrator. I have more dry skin, so this Super Hydrate, this is kind of a inaccurate representation of the product. It's more of like it's a gel, so it's more of for like acne prone skin. But I have another thing from that line, which is the e.l.f. Super Tone Toner. So I remember I said it had a strong scent and I would test it to see if it irritated my skin. At first it didn't. Some days it really did. So this has very strong vitamin C and citric acid in it, so if you have sensitive skin, wouldn't use this, but it's definitely doing something. It's adding vitamin C to your skin, which is great, but I just really prefer the Pixie Glow Tonic. Alright, another e.l.f. product is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. This is the Watermelon Jelly Cleanser. It actually really did work for removing makeup, not quite as well as it would have claimed to. I didn't like this for the fact that it doesn't foam. I know that sounds silly, but like when I put a kind of face wash on my face, I want it to foam up because it's like you kind of know it's working. But other than that, I cleaned my skin and it was fine. The last skincare product I used was this is sticky on the back, the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser. I actually really liked this. This actually gets rid of makeup really well when you don't use a makeup wipe. So I will probably purchase it again in terms of like a cleanser. Ideally I would like to have two cleansers at one time, one something like this and one just like a normal cleanser for the morning, because I wouldn't need something like this in the morning, but at night this worked very well. Okay, now we're going to move on to the biggest category, which is bath and body. So let me go grab that stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bath and body also includes hair care as well. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the biggest thing of Empties I have, which is lotion, which makes sense. I have really dry hands and feet, so I did go through a lot of lotions. So the biggest one I have is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Lotion. I love this. The reason I didn't repurchase this is because it was out of stock when I went to Target last time, and Target has a new brand called Smartly, and their body lotion is actually really good. I'm using it right now. It's like $3, and it's the same kind of size as this, so I really do love this and recommend it, but I like the Smartly one the same, if not better, because it's a little cheaper. Alright, more lotions. So I think I've definitely had this one before. This is the Trader Joe's hand lotion. Not much to say about it. It has like nice oils in it. You can only get it at Trader Joe's, you know, your typical hand lotion. Then I have this a la Maison. I got it at TJ Maxx. They also sell this brand at Whole Foods, Whole Body, interested. And then I did this 365 Maximum Moisture Lotion. They just sell this at work because I work at Whole Foods. And yeah, it's right there. And I'm using one of these right now. It's good. It's just not super hydrating because it's like a body lotion. And then this is a foot lotion actually. It is the 7 Sense Botanical Therapy CBD Soothing Foot Therapy Lotion. This is amazing. It numbs your feet. You can only get it in Boston and probably other places that have dispensaries. This is at DSW in Boston, and I would love another thing of this. Finish up this mini sugarberry bath salts. I'm not sure it was from, maybe a CVS or something like that. It was in my stocking, but it had like a little scoop. It was really cute. And then I used up these Shea Moisture bath sugar cubes. These were really cute. They just like plopped in a couple and it made your bath fizzy, and they smelled very nice. And then I used up a deodorant. This is a Dove Sensitive. This worked okay, but I found another Dove deodorant that worked really well that I'm using right now. I switched from Old Spice and natural deodorants because they were causing arm irritation. This doesn't seem to cause any irritation. So hopefully I won't have to switch brands again. And then 2 different hair care products. I finished up this OGX Tea Tree Mint Shampoo. I've repurchased this and I'm still using this. I think this is my favorite OGX one I've tried. I've tried quite a bit. The one I used the most was the coconut water. I think I like this a little bit better. I think it smells better and it's not, my hair is not getting sick of it like the way the coconut water one, my hair reacted to the coconut water one. And then the last one is my favorite, probably my favorite hair care product. It is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. This was the pink pineapple scent. Just, like to try the random scents and stuff. I am currently using another one of these, and I also have a mini one to travel with. I love this product, but I used it completely up. So yeah, that is all my Bath & Body stuff. So I lied. The biggest category is actually miscellaneous, which is going to include like my vitamins and my tooth care and some candles. I've run out of room on my desk. You can't see it, but I have. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the vitamins because they're right in front of me. No surprise, and any of my Empties videos you've seen, these are always the vitamins in them. It is the Up & Up Women's Multivitamins gummies. They're like the mixed berry. These taste delicious, and honestly, it's like snack time when I have my vitamins. And I'm just going to toss it back there because I don't have any room. I have 2 of the Trader Joe's Orange Gummy C. I just finished up one of these yesterday and started my new bottle today. These are great to get your vitamin C in, and they taste like orange candy, and again, it's delightful. I love it. Okay, gonna go ahead and do the tooth care. Finished up 2 different toothpaste. One is this Colgate Advanced Whitening. It's a little small. I like this one a lot. I think this is the one I'm gonna go with next time I buy toothpaste again. I'm using some like red Crest or Colgate one. And then this is Crest Pro Health Whitening. I started getting this because I had 3 cavities I had filled last year, so yikes. Yeah. And then this is the Tom's Wicked Fresh mouthwash. It's a natural mouthwash, doesn't burn your mouth. I currently have this one again. I like this. I think I like the sea salt a little bit better though. Just the taste is a little more pleasant, but I mean, this is like a normal minty kind of flavor for your mouthwash. Okay, last 2 thing. CVS Extra Comfort Floss. This is the best floss. It's, I don't know, they always like are generic for another floss. I can't remember which one. This is the one I have to travel with. I have a bunch of floss like picks, which I don't like because they're bad for the environment. A lot of wasteful plastic. However, my old roommate left them, so I'm just using them up while I'm here, and then while I'm traveling I use this. We'll do the candles in a minute. I also finish up this only one soap. I don't go through soap that often. This is the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I'm still working on my winter hand soap. Couldn't think of the word. My winter hand soap in my bathroom. It's really big, and then I have to go back to my other fall scent I have, but I flew through this one. It was nice. It smelled good. I like this scent. This is a scent I buy every year from Bath & Body Works. I have 5 candles. 5 candles. candles. Almost gonna be 6 because I have another one that's pretty close to being burnt out. So, let's see. Most of these are, let's go through the fall ones first. So actually I'll do this one first. This is one that I got in the Target Dollar Spot, Bullseye's Playground. It's called Hayrides Crunchy Leaves Apple Cider. And it smells like cider. It's nice. It was $3. It burnt really quickly. It wasn't particularly strong because it's a single wick and a small one. The other fall candle I had that is all burned up is the last 4 from Bath & Body Works. Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow. This is like a really sickly, sweet smelling candle. I was like really into it. It really smells like what it says it is. You know, Bath & Body Works candles can be pretty strong, but they burn pretty quickly. I also love the mason jar candles. These ones are usually the ones that go on sale for like 2 for $12 or stuff like that. They're usually $14.50 though, but I don't buy a Bath & Body Works candle when they're not on sale. Go to TJ Maxx, just a caveat. 3 Christmas candles, including one of my favorites that I always wear, that I always buy. Fresh balsam. You know, it just smells like a tree, and it's cute little packaging. I just love it. You know, it's Christmas. I smell it, it's Christmas. And then other Christmas one was frosted cranberry. It smells like cranberries, so you know, everything smells the way it says it does. So that's good. It's hard to kind of describe this when you're not smelling. Smell-o-vision. Isn't that on Charlie and Chocolate Factory? This one's delightful. This is called Flannel. Look at the packaging. And also, it smells like men's cologne, and I love the smell of men's cologne because it kind of smells like Old Spice, which is what I used to wear as deodorant, and I kind of wear more kind of gender neutral, leaning more towards men types of perfume, so it works out. So I had 41 empties. That's a lot. It's not 50, but 41 is a lot, and I'm excited to clean out the closet because it was overflowing. I had 2 bags of stuff. I usually have 1 in my little bags. I don't know why I was blowing through stuff. I mean, maybe I just took a little bit longer to do my empties video than I did last time, but yeah, I'm briefly going to touch on for you 4 products over the year that I hit pan on. So this one is the newest, which I'm very excited about. It's a Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. It's one we got in our Sephora birthday gift, but I'm so happy. I just want to get rid of this year. I have some stuff that I want to declutter, but I probably won't until like midway through the year. This is the Naked 3 palette. I've hit pan right there, and I'm going to hit pan on another shade soon. I don't know when I will get rid of this, like maybe when I hit pan on a couple more shades. I don't know. It's hard to get rid of a palette because I don't want to throw it away, because that's the idea of getting rid of the stuff that I'm buying. It's like, I don't want things sitting in landfill. That's my problem. Next is the Revolution the Needs palette, my palette that's indeed broken in half. I've hit pan on the shade Kindness. I'm close to hitting pan on the bronzer, which I don't like this bronzer, but I just want to use it up. Side note, Gratitude is amazing, and I mentioned something which I think is the same product in my favorites video if you haven't seen it. And then the last one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This was my first highlighter purchase, and I've hit pan on this shade here called Golden Bronze, and I use it as a bronzer. I'm wearing it today. It's nice and glowy, but it looks like we're close to hitting pan on Dripping Gold or Bubbly. I'm excited with the use of this palette. I just like to see the things that I buy being used, because I bought this, and when I bought it, it was like $40 because it was super popular at the time. I have rushed through all that stuff, and this video is still long, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for putting up with the fact that I am like really ghost white because of the lighting. If you like videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have other Empties videos that I can link below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!